Hey Jammers, and welcome to another video. It's girl with YAYEYYWYEYSS here, and this video it's a Mailtime, so yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I need a couple gifts, but that's okay. So let's get started. Hugh. Oh my gosh, thank you. Okay, you know what? Whatever. There. You can have a glove because you're just awesome like that. Okay. Thank you. Shamrock glasses. Thank you. Here. Oh yeah, I don't like this girl. So she gave me a bad gift. She's like, give me something back. So I gave her something back, and then she's like, and I gave her something good back. She's like, I'm gonna call AJ on you. Give it back. So I gave it back, and then she gave me my lasso back. So yeah, whatever. I blocked her. Thank you. Oh, thank you. I'm sorry, I kind of woke up like, I took a nap, so, because I'm really tired, and I don't know, just super tired. Thank you. Oh, by the way, guys, you guys might think this guy is like total, but no, he's famous kind of, like he sings and he's just so cute to me, and I don't care what you guys think. I really don't care because I have my opinions and you guys have yours, so I don't really care what you guys think about him, but some people are kind of rude about him, saying he's a little girl and stuff like that, but I think that I would hate people what the heck? I would hate if people were calling me that and everything, so I don't think you guys should be rude and say that. I'm not saying that you guys are saying this, but some of you guys are not. Okay, close my eyes. Close my eyes and open them in 3, 2, 1. Yay, thank you. I already have one, but oh my gosh, you have a long spike. You have a long spike collar. Oh my god, you have a longest baby something. So it's kind of mean to be rude to other people, like, but like this, I was watching his YouTube videos of him singing because I really like his voice. It's so good. Oh my gosh. I think those are the colors I needed, and I think that's all I needed. Oh my god, thank you. I'll give you a dead item since my inventory is full. What the heck is cheeky cheer? Are those in stores? I think they are. No, they're not. I think they're supposed to be. That is beta. I gave you a beta. Or beta, whatever. I say beta. If you guys want to check out his singing, his name is Carson Ludier. Here, I'll type it in. Oops. Carson Ludier, something like that, but you guys can search him up on YouTube, so yeah. Oh my gosh, thank you. I think I collect those. Sparkly. Thank you. Please make this good too. Thank you. Thank you. It sucks that we can't say rare because it's stupid. Thank you. Okay, how many gifts did you give me? Thank you. Finally. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks. I'll be right back, you guys. Get back, thank you. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this Mailtime video. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for 48 subscribers now. I think when I reach 50 subscribers, I might do a party. But it's kind of annoying when I do parties now because oh my god. It's because like it gets all laggy. Because last time my den was full, so it got all laggy. I'm hungry. I'm about to eat after this. So yeah guys. So hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and bye.